Tell me about it. But at least you're out here doing it now.
What do you think, kiddo? You looking at the camera? He's like, these hiccups suck. I didn't like them. I didn't like them when I was inside.
Gosh. Yeah, they were probably just about that hard inside
Yeah,
them
they
too.
were.
And his hands were moving just like that.
Yeah.
Look how his hands are moving.
He's got a nice little hairdo.
Bless,
Bless
you.
you.
He's just taking everything in. You're on candid camera. Get used to this thing. Hi. All gone? Okay. Hiccups are all gone. The cuteness is gone. Well, no, cuteness isn't gone, but the hiccups are. Alright, we'll wait until the next cute moment.
And
In
it's
5
not
minutes.
normal. They lasted about 5 minutes.
Say bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.